what's guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are painting the Tamiya Nissan Fairlady 300ZX, and for this video we are painting it with a brand new airbrush from Gallery. This is one of the Gallery's it is gravity fed airbrush, but it's one of their trigger action airbrushes, and this thing is absolutely insane. As you see right here, this thing covers this body within like a minute and a half. It's absolutely insane. So what this airbrush does, it has a fan bezel, as we can see, and it creates a nice huge wide spray, and this is fantastic for your first cover coat on the body. And the cool thing about this airbrush, it offers a mounted tip bezel, so it doesn't have a much wider spray. It can a more finer spray as well. But this video is about the body, not about the airbrush, but we will be doing a tutorial video on the airbrush alone, so stay tuned for that video. But in this video, we are just doing the body color on this Nissan, and then stay tuned for part 2, we'll be doing clear coat. But of course, do harsh reach areas first and easy for hit spots. And this airbrush, it covers it super fast, so there's really no reason for that. But as you see, this thing's amazing. So my first time using this airbrush, you can tell, and it's amazing. So first coat is done basically, and then wait between 5 to 10-15 minutes between your second coat, and then you move on to your next coat. Alrighty, first coat is down, and now the body has an eggshell look to it, and 5 to 10 minutes later, we're ready to go. So make sure you keep the coats very light. Since this airbrush has a very wide spray, you do want to keep the coats very light. Very carefully and go easy, because especially with enamel paints or acrylic paints, you can create wrinkles, and the paint does not like that. And make sure you are spraying in a pretty heated area, or if you have good temperature, make sure you have good temperature, because paint does not like lower temperatures. Just putting it out there. Some people, they ask me what is a good temperature. So right around 65 to 70 degrees to up to 80 degrees is a very good temperature range, but make sure you are no longer lower than 65, because that is where the paint will react to you. So make sure you are above 65 and you're in good hands. But yeah, so keep your coats very light. And second coat, again, this took no issue, because this airbrush, it does a really big spray. And this airbrush basically does as much spray as like a spray can, because we all know spray cans have huge sprays. So if you're looking for this particular airbrush that has a nice wide spray that does not take 10 years to cover a body, this airbrush might be for you. Again, I'll be leaving down below to it as down below if you are interested. I'll be leaving it down there. And again, we will be having a tutorial video on this airbrush later, probably next year, so stay tuned. And there you have it. It looks pretty good. So like I said, next video, part 2 of this video will be to get clear. And I just want to keep this video nice and short because it's around the holiday season. Don't want to make these videos too long for you guys. But as I say, the body turned out fantastic. Now, just in case you're wondering about the color, I did not include the color of this color. It's because this is a mixed color that I mixed myself. This is like 3 different colors that I mixed from like older splash paint bottles that I had laying around. So I don't really know what the color name is, but it's pretty cool. It looks really good on this build. And also, I did some carbon fiber. This is crushed carbon fiber from Scale Motorsports. It's basically forged carbon, you want to call it. So let the body dry for about 4 to 24 hours before we let it cure for about overnight, at least if you're doing a lot of carbon fiber or decals, so the paint can gas out and stuff. So yeah, carbon fiber is pretty cool. So like I said, part 2 we're doing clear coat on all these parts, so that video will be out within a day or so. So stay tuned for that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.